Responsibility. Being responsible is cultivated through a sound mind, a clear conscience, a pure, clean heart, discipline, and humility. There is not any given way that anyone can act responsibly while moving around with a haughty heart and a maliciously wretched mind. Responsibility will never be about proving a point or forcefully shoving your will down people's throats just to shamelessly excite your ego or flaunt supremacy. Responsibility is about being selflessly kind, purely doing what's right and just, even if it strikes a pinch on your ego. Responsibility is about honoring the essence of humanity in godliness, with the fear of the Lord, with the values and morals of society in mind, for productive coexistence, peace, and tranquility in the whole world. Are you responsible? And to what degree? Choose to be responsible on your part. Make this world a better place. Because the responsibility of making this world a better place starts at individual level. Oh yes, do it your part without looking at other people. This world can be a better place if we walk consciously with pure hearts, devoid of maliciousness. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Oh, hallelujah.